Hi friends, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. This time I found the Cardano or ADAUSD and Litecoin or LTCUSD trades for you guys. Now let's move to the charts without wasting any time. And first I'm gonna open my Litecoin chart, and I've just posted this chart almost 30 minutes or 1 hour ago. And you can see on this chart, first the price action formed a previous bullish bad pattern, and when the price action entered in the potential reversal zone, it took the bullish divergence and started the formation of next short pattern. And after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced almost up to 1.13 Fibonacci. It should be between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and C to D leg is retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci and entered in the potential reversal zone. I've just set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence of CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. And here you can see the MACD is strong bearish and RSI is in oversold zone. So for secure trade, we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, and then we can take the long position, or we should buy. And this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone. And these are my targets. This is my buying range, and these are my sell targets. You can see also here, these are the targets. So this is another very good long opportunity of Litecoin US dollar. Now let's move to the ADA chart, and I have also published this chart almost an hour ago, and this is the chart. And on this idea, you can see first the price action formed a bullish gartley pattern, and after entering in the potential reversal zone, the price action took the bullish divergence, and after this initial X to A leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.50 Fibonacci. So this is the first confirmation that it will be a bad pattern, and after this A to B leg, the B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. So this is the second confirmation that this would be a bad pattern. And C to D leg is retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So up to here, a bad pattern is completed. So we are expecting that after the completion of this bad pattern, the price action will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, which is from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and it will hit the sell zone, and which will be the CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci. But here, if you see, the MACD is strong bearish. So for a secure trade, we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, and then we should buy. And this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone. Then we should take exit from this trade. And these are the targets for the ADA US dollar. This is the buying range, and these are the sell targets. So this is another very good long opportunity, and these both trades are very short-term trades. The previous trade was on 2-hour chart, and this trade is also based on the 2-hour chart. So I think these both trades can be finished within 24 to 48 hours. I'm also sharing my Tradingview's link in the video's description. You just need to click on the link, and after, when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select this people option from this drop down list and write Moon 333 here. then you will find my link, my profile portal link, and after when you will be on my profile page, you will be able to find my all charts I've published here. And if you don't have the Binance Exchange account, then I would suggest you to create the account there, because Binance is the exchange which has the largest volume of every cryptocurrency. I'm also sharing the link of Binance Exchange in video's description. You just need to click there, and after that you can create your account on Binance and start your trading today. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.